Alright, this is our 10th week. This week we're going to take everything out. I'm going to check everything, see how it is, all the boxes. So this first box doesn't have anything. I'll just use it. Okay, inner cover coming out. Now they're really stuck. Oops. Take it easy with it.
Is there lots in there?
Not really. It looks like the same as last time. Let's take number 10 out. Let's see how it is. Looks like it's the same as last week, but let's try it out. Kind of feels light. It is. That's a nectar in there. A little bit of honey, not capped. It's about 80%. Not even. This one's like 20%. So there's not much here. I'll take number 9 out just to see how it is. This one feels a little bit heavier. Still got lots of room. This one say 45% on this side, 50% on this side, and a little bit of capped honey. As you can see there, just a few, not much. So number 9, say 45 and 50. Do one more. Number 8. The bottom looks completely full, man. Like a lot of bees. Oh yeah, this one's pretty heavy. So this one's about, as you can see, I'd say 70%. This one is about 80%. A lot of capped already there, a bit of capped. Number 6, sorry, 7, the same thing. It's capped too a little bit. Okay, no point in checking here, nothing else. They got lots of room still. Let's get down into the next box. Put these back. Bring pollen in. Got pollen in their legs. That's pretty cool. They're still doing a lot of stuff. They're looking for the hole. There's no hole. So, oh, that's one. Okay, let's take this big box off.
Is it stuck?
A little bit. I'll open up a little bit, put some smoke here. Calm them down. Don't get too close now. I'm going to put it right there beside you. It's pretty heavy. I would say probably 40 pounds. Look at all the bees in there. Come and check it. Look. See them all in the middle there? Look at that. All tight together they are. So that's the big box, 10 frames. This is the medium here. Let's check out number 10 here. This one looks like it's all pretty well capped. Not capped, but it's completely full of honey. Look at that, Teresa. Wow. And it's completely capped on this side. So this one is 80%. This is 90% full, this one. So I'm not gonna do nothing with this one.
You don't have to check them?
No, it's full. I think I know they're all pretty full. I can see them. It's all pretty full. Let me use that there. As you can see there, look at that. Look at all the bees in there, man. It's pretty well all capped honey in here. That's pretty cool.
Them all flying around.
Yeah, well, they're looking.
They're saying, where's my home?
Yeah. Okay, let's get this medium out and get into the bottom box quickly so we don't have to disturb them too much.
Oh, that's
This is
stuck.
Oh yeah. Some smoke in here. Oh, wow. This one is heavier than that one. Like, I mean, double the weight. This one's got double the weight. Okay, let's get into our brood boxes. The excluder. Wow. I mean, it's full.
That's the wax right there?
Well, that's the honey right there. The outside frames should have honey, because I think they do that already so they can have food. Wow. These are completely stuck here. Wow, this is heavy, man. Like super heavy. Wow.
Holy.
Look at this. Completely capped
wow.
honey. This is completely capped honey. Look how thick it is though.
I know.
It's even thicker. Wow, look at this. Completely full of honey. Let me hang this one up here. Completely full of honey. That's number 10.
I wonder where she's hiding.
Oh, they're stuck together big time. Wow. Number 9. The same thing, man. Completely capped honey. Capped honey.
How many can you put on that stand?
I don't know. That's
Any sign of our queen? No.
okay, we got some brood in here. So that's a good sign. Wow, it's stuck to the bottom. Big time. This one's all honey too on the outside. Feed drone. Some larvae there broken. So that's good. She's still.
Move the arm out of the way so I could.
Here we got some pollen, capped honey, and nothing else. I don't see no larvae, no nothing. But it's heavy, heavy, man. Number 7, it's got some there. Some. So there's 3 full of honey here at the bottom. 8, 9, and 10. This one's got some brood. Some larvae there. Some larvae. Some eggs. See there? A little bit. That's good. She's lots of work she's doing still. Lots of brood here. Look at that. Lots of larvae. Lots of little tiny eggs and tiny little larvae. Tiny little eggs. Don't put it that close. Oh, we're not. So she shouldn't be here. But she's working, so that's good. I'll keep this one in here for now. Put in the armpits for. Fuck. Number 6. Same thing, lots of brood. Lots of larvae, lots of little eggs, and a lot of tiny little larvae, man. Look at that, eh? Come to my side of it, see if you can see it there. Look at that. The little tiny ones right there. Lots of larvae there. She's working away. She's not here. I don't see her.
Flip the side.
It can't be here because this one's completely full. So that's
She's
good.
not in the full ones?
I don't think so. She wouldn't be in the full ones because she's got nothing to do there. Let's go to number 5. Lots of bees though. Like a lot of bees. So the bees will fit all in here now. So these ones just hatched. Look at that. It's completely empty. See, there's not no cap there. Lots of honey cap there. Lots of larvae here. Lots of little larvae still. Lots. It's full of larvae there. I don't see her here either. Lots of honey in here. We got lots of honey there, so they got a lot of food. So for sure I can take the honey off those top ones. Guarantee you. That's what they're gonna tell me tomorrow. That one is good. Number 4. Now this should start the same thing now. So now it should be like the first ones we took out. It should be like more honey, less brood probably. And if that's the case, I'll just stop. Wow, it's stuck to the bottom. There it comes. Yeah, it's stuck to the bottom and I'm wrecking it. Lots of larvae, big larvae here already, capped. So this one is full, so I don't think she's be doing nothing here either. Same thing here, lots of larvae. That little spot there, but mostly honey on these ones already. Okay, see that one there? It's completely full of honey already, capped honey. Look at that. 1, 2, and 3. So I'm not gonna take it apart. She won't be here. She'll probably be in the bottom. So I'm gonna put this one back together. This is looking good, I think. They'll let me know tomorrow. Wow, lots. This is cool though, now I can take these in order. A lot of honey there. And a little bit of brood on that one. So that was number 8. Number 9, completely capped honey on both sides. Number 10. Wow, this frame is so heavy. This outside frame is the heaviest one. Like it's completely full. So thick. Look how thick it extends the... Come on, bees. I don't want to crush you guys. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Shoo, shoo.
Wow. That is amazing. Okay, let's get down to the next box. Put a little smoke, calm everything down. I'm gonna put the other one up here now. Hopefully it won't fall. No, it's good. We're good. And get rid of these ones here so I don't crush them. Wow, there's lots of honey, man. This one's gonna be stuck. Look at all the honey here.
Yeah. So you got to buy one of those honey machines, right? To
I
put.
don't know. We'll see what they tell me tomorrow when I go to the seminar.
Oh yeah, the honey dripping right from the.
Okay, this one is loose. This one's so heavy.
Whoa.
That's not good. Okay. Oh, wow, so fucking heavy. Wow, look at this. Look at all the larvae here that I wrecked was stuck together. So those almost honeys, look at that. Almost bees. We just wrecked them.
Oh, that we're stuck to the
Yeah,
bottom.
stuck to the bottom of the frames.
So
Whatever they do, don't panic.
The honey's so
Don't panic. So
so
because
sticky.
they're getting busy now. Wow, this one's heavy too. So the outside ones are all capped honey. Same both sides. They're nice and capped. So number 10 is capped on both sides. So let's keep an eye on her now. Number 9 is capped, fully capped on this side also. Always starting on my side is capped. If I can clean this. Put it there, then we'll take it, we'll leave it here so it doesn't make a mess. Okay, let's get number 9. Number 9 is the same, capped also on one side, capped on both sides, a little bit of brood, some larvae. She's not here. Don't see her. That's number 9. These ones are lighter. Lots of brood in that one. Look at that. Still, lots of. She's laying crazy, man. She's laying lots of stuff. No swarm cells. No nothing. So that's good. Wow. This one, she might be here. Wow.
Look at that big fat one over there.
That's a drone. This one is empty still. Lots of empty ones here. A little bit of larva there. She might be here because a lot of them are empty. Don't panic.
No, one for my nose.
There's a couple big ones there. But she's not here. This one's capped, so she's got to be close by. Oh, you can smell the honey now, eh? Lots of brood, man, still. Wow. Lots of brood, lots of larvae. Completely full still. Don't see her. Wow. She's gotta be close. She's still laying, man. Today is August. What day is it today? The 20.
August 20, isn't it?
August 20, I think. Yeah. Look at all the ones I broke, man. These are almost ready to hatch, these ones. And I screwed it up. Wow. These ones feel lighter here. Lots of brood on these ones. Lots of larvae. So she's doing good.
But she's hiding.
Yeah, she's gonna be coming up. Let me take that out of there. We'll see her. Probably gonna be in this one. This one's so light, this one. Lots of pollen there. There she is, right in the corner, Teresa.
Oh, she's inside that. Oh,
Yeah,
she
she went
to
the other side. There she is, look at her.
Oh, she's still in there.
Look at her. Can you see?
It's hard to see.
You see her there?
Yeah,
There
that's
she
right,
is,
'cause
guys.
She keeps going in that little hole.
Let's go. She's gonna get out.
Oh, she disappeared.
There she is. She's still in there. Look at that. She's still going back and forth in there. You see her? There she goes. Look. There she goes, guys. What a queen. She's doing awesome, man. Okay, we're good. This one's all full of
Don't squish her
eggs
now.
and everything. Nope.
Because she's in the hole. Be careful.
The other ones should be the same almost. So we're going to leave it. Look at them eating the honey. They're cleaning that up there. So they can get it all fixed up again. So this one is pretty empty. The bottom one is pretty empty. She gets room to lay eggs. She's laid lots of eggs. August 20. Lots of honey in here. On these bottom frames, there's 4 full frames on each one, easily. On the bottom box, brood box, and then on the top brood box, capped honey. 4 full frames. I didn't check the other side, but I'm assuming they're exactly the same as these two. Let's put everything back together. Everything looks good. Let me just clean these up here so I don't... Well, I'll leave it in there. I'm gonna scare them away with smoke. I'll put the other box back on. Put the excluder on. And let's not bother them anymore. Everything looks good. They got lots of room. Tomorrow I'll find out what I need to do. Wow. This box is so heavy. I mean, super heavy. The queen excluder goes back on. Can't remember now if this was down or up. Okay. That one's good. Now let's put the heavy one on. Wow, they stick together. Beautiful. This one's light. Inner cover. So that's good. Week number 10. So I say they got 60% full on that one. Honey. This one's completely full. The brood box, top brood box, has got 4 full honey on both sides capped. The same with the bottom one, brood. Lots of larvae, lots of eggs. I think doing good. Tomorrow I got the seminar. See what I got to do for the winter. What I need to do for the winter. And we'll see you guys next week.
Don't forget to subscribe. Leave us some comments. See you next week. Bye.
We did excellent. Good to all the boxing. We've seen the queen again. She loves us. Wow. Look at that here, honey. Just taste it. Oh my god.
Gonna taste some honey.
Oh my god. Nothing like what we got from the stores, eh?
It's good.
Nothing like we got from the store.
The honey is so good.
Wow. Oh my god. So now
Try some honey.
I haven't fed them. I only fed them 3 pills at the beginning when I got the nuke. 3 pills of syrup, and that's it. Then I stopped. So all up there, that should be all pure honey because I put the boxes after. Okay, that's it.